Popular actor Vin Diesel accused of sexual battery of former assistant in lawsuit. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Actor Vin Diesel has been accused of sexual battery by a former assistant in a lawsuit filed in Los Angeles, California on Thursday. Asta Jonathan filed a lawsuit in the Los Angeles County Superior Court against Vin Diesel and one of his production companies, One Race Production Incorporated. It also named Race One Films Incorporated and Diesel's sister, who is the president of Race One. The suit alleges violations include a hostile work environment, retaliation, failure to prevent discrimination, wrongful termination, and sexual battery. The term sexual battery refers to unwanted sexual contact without the victim's consent. It is a misdemeanor or felony in most states in the United States. Sexual battery is a form of sexual assault. Not all sexual battery offenses are rape, but all rapes are considered to include sexual battery. Diesel's attorney Brian Freeman said in a statement on Thursday that Diesel categorically denies this claim in its entirety. This is the first he has ever heard about this more than 13 years old claim made by a 9-day employee, Freeman said. There is no clear evidence which completely refutes these outlandish allegations. One Race Films did not immediately respond to a request for a comment left by voicemail and on Facebook, as well as a request for a comment from Diesel's sister sent through Facebook. The lawsuit describes Jonathan as a dedicated TV and film professional who had worked in the film industry for decades when Race One hired her in September 2010 to work directly for Diesel. Her job duties, however, include organizing parties and staying close to Diesel while he was at parties and without his longtime girlfriend, with whom he has children, according to the lawsuit. The suit alleges that in September 2010, Diesel went to his hotel room after drinking at a club and was joined by several of his hostesses, a security guard, and Jonathan, who had not been drinking. Jonathan later went to the bedroom where Diesel was to tell him that the security guard said it was time to leave the hotel, and Diesel allegedly grabbed her by her wrist and pulled her onto the bed, the suit stated. Jonathan managed to leave the room and stood by the door of the hotel room, according to the suit, which alleges that Diesel later came out of the bedroom and forcefully hugged and kissed Jonathan and groped her breast while she pleaded for him to stop. The suit also alleges that Diesel tried to pull Jonathan's underwear down, made her grip his penis, and started to masturbate. Miss Jonathan was afraid to more forcefully refuse her supervisor, knowing that getting him out of the room was both crucial to her personal safety and job security, the suit states. Hours later, Diesel's sister fired Jonathan, the suit also stated. Claire Cotley, an attorney for Jonathan, said in a statement, "What happened to Miss Jonathan is alarming and disgusting. The film industry has allowed decades of sexual harassment and sexual assault by powerful people to go unchecked. It is our hope that this lawsuit will promote a change in the industry and prevent future bad behavior from occurring." According to the lawsuit, Jonathan was requested to sign a non-disclosure agreement preventing her from discussing anything about Diesel. The lawsuit says Jonathan was empowered by the Me Too movement to speak up and is protected by the Speak Out Act, which protects victims of sexual assault even though they have signed the non-disclosure agreement. A few days before the alleged assault, another supervisor at One Race summoned her to a bedroom at the Atlanta hotel, took his shirt off, and asked her to join him on the bed, the lawsuit also stated. Jonathan is seeking a jury trial and damages. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.